Hello, my dear students. Good morning, second class. I am Neelam. Today, I welcome you in your English class. Today, we will start chapter number 3, and the chapter is Search of a Real Princess. Okay, it's a story of a prince who wanted to marry with a real princess, but he couldn't find real princess. So, listen the story carefully whether the prince could find a real princess or not. Okay, so once there was a handsome prince. He wanted to marry a real princess and he traveled in search of real princess everywhere in the world, but he couldn't find the real princess. So he was sad and disappointed about the real princess. One evening, a terrible storm came, and the thunder and the heavy rain in the sky. Suddenly, someone knocked at the gate of the palace. The old queen went to open it. Then he saw a beautiful girl on the gate. She was badly drenched. The water was dripping from her hair and clothes. The queen asked her, "Who are you?" Then the girl said, "I am a real princess. Please, can you give me shelter for a night?" Then the queen replied, "Of course." She went into the bedroom, took all the bedding off cot and laid a pea on the cot. Then took 20 mattresses and then 20 feathers beds on top of the mattresses. On this, the princess had to lie all night. In the morning, the queen asked her, "Did you sleep soundly?" "I didn't sleep a wink. Heaven only knows what was in the bed. I was lying on something hard, so I was black and blue all over my body. My body is badly itching," said the princess. Now the queen understand the girl is real princess. So, nobody but a real princess could be as delicate as that. So the prince married her at once because he found the real princess last. And the pea was put in the museum so that everybody could see it. So this is the story. At last, the prince got a real princess and married to her. Now we will discuss the exercises based on this chapter. Okay, there are word meanings and you will write word meanings in your notebook. Okay, the first word is bedding. Bedding means sheets, pillow cases, blankets, etc. Okay, and the second word is black and blue, means covered in bruises. And the third one is delicate. Delicate means gentle and easily hurt. And the fourth one is etching. Etching means paining. And the fifth one is drenched. Drenched means very wet. And the last one is dripping. Dripping means to fall water from body. So these are the word meanings and you will write it in your notebook. Okay. And the second exercise is take the correct option. So listen and answer. Okay, first one is the prince wanted to marry to whom prince want to marry? A real princess. Okay, the correct answer is a real princess. And the second one is who knocked at the door? The correct answer is real princess. Real princess knocked at the door. And the third one is the old queen put a pea on the cot. What the queen put on the cot? Pea. So we take that option P. Okay, take that option P. And this exercise is complete. Now we will do next exercise, fill in the blanks, and you will write fill in the blanks in your notebook. Okay, first one is there was a dash prince. How's the prince? The prince was handsome. So there was a handsome prince. Second one is there was thunder and dash. thunder and lightning. And the third one is my body is badly dash, means her body is paining. So the correct answer is etching. My body is badly etching. And the fourth one is she was badly drenched. Drenched means very wet. Okay, she was badly drenched. And the next exercise is true and false. First one is one evening a terrible storm came. Yes, it's true. So we write here in first sentence true. And the second one is there were 20 mattresses and 19 feathers bed. No, there were 20 mattresses and 20 feathers bed. So this is false. Okay, so we write here false. And the third one is a maid opened the gate. Who opened the gate? The queen. Okay, so it's false. So we write here false. And the fourth one is the girl was a real princess. Yes, the girl was real princess. So we write here true. Okay, so this exercise is complete now. Rest of the exercise we will discuss in next video. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day.